is not full. Thank you very much. Sir, welcome, sir.
Thanks.
Yes. So I'll start the program. Okay. So shall I start the program?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
You
Yes,
can
sir.
start the
Okay.
program now, sir.
Okay. Participants, this is. I will share my screen. Then. Hope my presentation is visible to all. Anyone?
Yes, sir. Visible, sir. Visible,
Okay.
sir. Visible.
Done. Done. This is Venugopal, Professor of Mathematics and Dean Innovations and Research in Sri Sathya Sai University for Human Excellence. The trust associated with this runs various institutions, about 30 schools and the university, totally free of cost. I am proud to be part of that. So this particular today, I will tell you how to model and solve linear programming problems through Microsoft Excel and Solver. Those who installed Solver now can work along with me. I will guide you. I will give exercise also now itself so that you can work and come back to me. For others who could not install Solver now, I will send the material so that you can sit at home and work. Okay. So what in case of doubt, unmute and ask me. Maybe in Tamil or maybe in Hindi, I will answer accordingly. The important points the lecture will be in English. The important points I will convey in Tamil and Hindi as well. முக்கியமான இங்கிலீஷ்ல தான் இருக்கும் லெக்சர். முக்கியமான இதெல்லாம் தமிழ்லையும் ஹிந்தியிலையும் சொல்றேன். ये लेक्चर अंग्रेजी में ही होगा. इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट हो तो हिंदी में भी कह दूंगा. वो समझ में नहीं आया तो हिंदी में पूछिएगा, मैं उत्तर दे दूंगा. अच्छा. So this is how you reach me. Kindly you can take a note of it. My phone number and email ID. In case you have doubt, you can get into that. I have a YouTube channel wherein I post my lectures. You can go through it. Even this kind of linear programming lectures are also there. Linear programming lecture adala iruk usme hai linear programming lecture B. So at the outset, I thank the management of Sangamala Tayar Educational Trust, Umankale Mannargudi, for inviting me to do this workshop on solving operation research problems through Microsoft Excel and Solver. I will directly jump into the method. Okay, let me open Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel on pannikungo. Microsoft Excel open kare. माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल ओपन करें तो साथ साथ कंप्यूट कर सकते हैं. माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल ओपन பண்ணிக்குங்க. சொல்ல பண்ணிட்டு வாங்க அதுல. Okay, you can do it side by side. Once I start saying it, you can do it side by side. Open a general Microsoft Excel. Okay, let it sit there. You have learnt about this. What is this? Operation research. I hope all of you know that. All of you know about Microsoft Excel. This operation research concepts. Ada assume pannikiren. I assume that all of you know operation research. Let me show a typical problem. What I will do in the first, I will take a linear programming problem as it is with x1, x2, x3 with that. Okay. Then I will solve it through Microsoft Excel and the solver. Then I will tell you how to model a word problem. That is a problem without this x1 and x2. You need not convert the problem into x1 and x2. எல்லா ப்ராப்ளத்தையும் x1 x2 மாத்தி போடணும்னு இல்லை. The real life problems ले x1 x2 இருக்காது. ये real life problem में x1 x2 नहीं आते हैं. हम लोग उनको x1 x2 बना देते हैं. वो एक्सेल शीट में कैसे करने का इसे अभी कर दूंगा. एक्सेल शीट ले एप्पड़ी போடணும்னு இப்ப சொல்லி தரேன். Now you can take down this problem in a sheet. I am dictating the problem. Please take it down. Maximize z equal to 5x1 plus 4x2. Maximize z equal to 5x1 plus 4x2. Subject to. You can forget this s1, s2 and all. Okay. Let me see that example as it is. 1 minute. The problem is here. That is better. Maximize z equal to, hope you see the problem on the board, on the screen. Maximize z equal to 5x1 plus 4x2, subject to. Please write down the problem, then you can feed it in Excel. Somewhere you write down. Or take a screenshot. 6x1 plus 4x2 less than or equal to 24. 6x1 plus 4x2 less than or equal to 24. x1 plus 2x2 less than or equal to 6. x1 plus 2x2 less than or equal to 6. Minus x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 1. Minus x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 1. x2 less than or equal to 2. x2 less than or equal to 2. x1 comma x2 greater than or equal to 6. This is actually the mathematical model of a problem that is given here. Okay, the conversion I am not going to do now, I will tell you. This is about ready mix both interior and exterior paints from two raw materials, M1 and M2. அவங்க ரெண்டு paints produce பண்றாங்க with two raw materials, M1 and M2. So with the raw material, the type of raw material per ton of exterior paint, interior paint versus raw material M1, M2 is given in the table. Okay, raw material M1 is needed per ton 6 per ton of 6 for exterior paint, for interior paint 4. So the maximum availability is 24 ton. Raw material M1 24 தான் இருக்கு. Raw material M1 24 ही है. Raw material M2 6 தான் இருக்கு. Raw material M2 6 ही है. Okay. Profit भी दिया गया है. They have given profit. Profit கூட கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Exterior paint பண்ணா எவ்வளவு profit, interior paint பண்ணா எவ்வளவு profit. Okay. இத வந்து convert பண்ணிருக்காங்க இது மாதிரி models. They have converted this into equations. That's all you need to know now. Later I will tell you how to convert this into directly to Excel sheet without writing it as equations. Equation எழுதாம நேர Excel sheetல எழுதுறது எப்படி சொல்லி தருவேன். Now since you have seen this, இந்த மாதிரி மாடல் போட்டுருக்கீங்கல்ல, you have seen this, so we will take this and solve first. Okay, so that you understand where to put what, எங்க எது போடணும் தெரிஞ்சிக்கிறதுக்கு. Okay, now let me get to Excel. I will tell you about one important function, sum product. Sum product. Sum product னு ஒரு function பத்தி சொல்ல போறேன். एक sum product function के बारे में मैं कह दूंगा. Sum product no function. How to do? Now let me write a column. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One column is there. Okay, so another column or row I will put. Maybe one row I am putting. Okay, so here I will put what is that? 3, 4, 1, 2, 5. Okay. Sum product of this column, I will mark that. Sum product of this column, just see first, then you can also try. You want to try along with that, then you do this. Whatever I typed, you type. Whatever I typed, you type. That is in C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C4, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6. Then D8, D8, E8, F8, G8, H8. In that enter 3, 4, 1, 2, 5. You finish entering this and we will practice. Practice along with me. என் கூடயே டைப் பண்ணிட்டு வாங்கோ, நல்லா புரியும். டைப் பண்ணி பாருங்க, அதுக்கு தான் hands on session. Okay, you type it along with me, then learn along with me. Don't just look at the screen. Okay, if you have doubt, ask me. சந்தேகம் இருந்தா கேளுங்க. Type like this in C column from 2 to 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 8th row, D, E, F, G, H. That is 3, 4, 1, 2, 5 you type. I think you have typed it. Now, I will tell you about an important function that we will use throughout this workshop. Only one function. ஒரு function தான் யூஸ் பண்ண போறோம். அது என்ன function? Sum product. எப்படி அடிக்கிறது? Somewhere here in F4. எங்க வேணா அடிக்கலாம். You can type it anywhere in the sheet, but I am telling to, if you follow whatever I say, it is easy for me to debug. Okay, உங்க இதுல என்ன தப்பு பண்ணிருக்கீங்கன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்க எனக்கு ஈஸியா இருக்கும். So அதே இடத்துல அடிங்க. F in F4 I am typing, type equal to, hope you have typed the numbers, equal to sum product, SUMPRODUCT. அங்கே கீழே வரும் பாருங்க. Sum product, open the bracket, type sum product, SUMPRODUCT, open the bracket, and then take your mouse, okay, click on C2 and drag up to 6. C2 ல click பண்ணி C6 வரையும் வரைங்க. அங்க வந்திருக்கும் பாருங்க. C2, 6, put a comma. Sum product, open C2 colon C6, comma. Then இங்க D8 ல இருந்து ஆரம்பிச்சு H8 வரையும் drag பண்ணணும். mouse click பண்ணிக்கிட்டே drag பண்ணணும். You click the mouse and drag. It will come up to that. Close the bracket. See what I have typed in F4 equal to sum product C2 colon C6 comma D8 colon H8. Type this. Type this equal to sum product C2 colon C6 D8 colon H8. Hope you have typed. I am pressing enter. What happened? C2, C6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 minute. I'll put it here. That's better. In E column I'm putting. Okay, 3, 4, 5. 5, 1, 2. I'll do it like this. This is better now. put equal to sum PRODUCT, open the bracket, cover C, then comma, cover E, close the bracket, enter. It is giving 40. How do you get this 40? This 40 is 1 multiplying these two vectors term by term and adding. 1 into 3 plus 2 into 4 plus 3 into 5 plus 4 into 1 plus 5 into 2. That is sum of products. What are the products? 1 into 3, 2 into 4, 3 into 5, 4 into 1, 5 into 2. You add that, you get 40. You also practice now. Okay. I will type some numbers here. You also type some numbers. Maybe 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here same. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 columns you type. You type and tell me the answer. Okay. From C2 to C6, type 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From E2 to E6, type 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. How do you put this borders? You go to the border and select all borders. Okay. Just for decoration. Now you type the formula. Type the formula. SUMPRODUCT. Open the bracket. Open the bracket. Select the C column, C2 to C6, put a comma. Select the E column, E2 to E6, put a comma and close the bracket. I have done up to this. You also do and tell one of you, any one of you can unmute and tell me the answer. If you have done this, tell me the answer, then I will also show the answer. நீங்க பண்ணிட்டு சொல்லுங்க, நானும் answer காமிக்கிறேன். You type 190 m. Yes, good. Okay. Okay, we have practiced this. Okay. We have practiced this. Now we will go to that problem. I will erase this. I will erase this. Go to a new sheet. Now come to the problem. Where is the problem? It is maximize z equal to 5x1 plus 4x2. How many constraints? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 constraints. 2 non-negative constraints. What is a linear programming problem in a nutshell? I will just recall. Linear programming problem na enadhu? 2. There will be resources. What are the resources in this problem? Resources are raw material M1 24 tons. Raw material M2 6 tons. The resources. Adukapram. How much M1 is needed for exterior paint? How much M2 is needed for interior paint? 6 and 4. Yeah. How much M2 needed for exterior paint? Exterior paint evlo M2 vanu? 1. Interior paint evlo M2 vanu? 2. Okay. Then what is the profit? For exterior paint per ton 5. For interior paint per ton 4. This is the problem. What you have to decide? Enna decide pannanum? Evlo exterior paint produce pannanum? Evlo interior paint produce pannanum? How much exterior paint to produce? How much interior paint to produce? So as to maximize profit. Okay. So as to maximize profit. Profit adhigam pannanum. Appa enna pannanum? Appi paakrom. How to maximize profit. Now how to type this problem in Excel? I will start similar problem. I will give you one exercise. Then I will give a descriptive problem. Okay. So first 15 minutes I will demonstrate this. Then I will give you a problem. Then I will give you a word problem. That is some type of prototype, real like problem, and convert it into Excel sheet directly, so that you can practice any real life problem to solve through Excel. In solving through Excel, there is nothing like simplex method, Bingham method, two-phase method, graphical method. There is nothing like. The algorithm takes care of everything. அல்காரிதம் ஒரே ஒரு அல்காரிதம் அதில் இருக்கு, அது வச்சு ஆன்சர் அது போட்டுடும். ஸோ இதுல வெரைட்டியே கிடையாது. இன்டெஜர் ப்ரோக்ராமிங் ப்ராப்ளம் கேன் ஆல்சோ பி சால்வ். இன்டெஜர் ப்ரோக்ராமிங் ப்ராப்ளம் இதுல ஒரு சின்ன மெனுல if you select one option that will become integer programming problem மாறிடும். Okay, now how to type? How many variables? X1 and X2. So I go to the Excel sheet, type in D1 capital X1, type in E1 capital X2. In D1 put X1, in E1 put to X2. So this D column belongs to X1, E column belongs to X2. என்னெல்லாம் X1 ல இருக்குதோ அது D காலத்துல வரணும், என்னெல்லாம் X2 ல இருக்குதோ அது E காலத்துல வரணும். जो भी को X1 को संबंध है वो D कॉलम में आ जाएगा, वो जो भी को X2 में संबंध है वो E कॉलम में आ जाएगा. Whatever related to X2 will come in E column, whatever related to X1 will come in D column. Done. I can do one simple thing. I can click here and center everything. பார்க்க நல்லா இருக்கும். It will look nice. So I center everything. Okay. Now come to the problem. What is the objective function? Maximize z equal to 5x1 plus 4x2. 5x1 plus 4x2. So 5, 4. So I will type here 5, 4. What is this? This is the objective function. Objective function coefficients I am typing here 5, 4. So in D3 type 5, E3 type 4. If you are doing in laptop, you will have to switch between windows. Okay, you will have to switch between windows. Do it patiently. Or you should have written in a paper, that is useful. I hope you have written it in a paper. So type 5, type 4. Just listen and type. You need not see the presentation. You can listen and type. In D3 type 5. In E3 type 4. What is this? Coefficients of objective function x1, x2. Coefficients of objective function x1, x2. Next, hope you have typed this. In D1 type x1, in E1 type x2, then in D3 type 5, E3 type 4, coefficient of x1, x2 of objective function. Then see the first constraint. First constraint is 6x1 plus 4x2 less than or equal to 24. So 6, 4, 24. 6 coefficient of x1, 4 coefficient of x2, 24 constant. 6, 4, 24. So come to D5. Type 6. E5 type 4. Then F5 you leave vacant. G5 you leave vacant. In H5 type 24. So what did I type? The first inequality, first constraint. I am typing here. First constraint. First constraint. I am typing it to understand. Okay. First constraint. 6x1 plus 4x2 less than or equal to 24. I will type less than or equal to in G5. So in D5 type 6. In E5 type 4. F5 leave vacant. We are typing something there. Ange edho type adikka porom. G5 type less than or equal to H5 type 24. So 6x1 plus 4x2 less than or equal to 24 over. Next inequality. X1, that is 1x1 plus 2x2 less than or equal to 6. 1x1 plus 2x2 less than or equal to 6. What do? I type here second constraint. One x1 plus 2x2 less than or equal to 6. 1, 2 less than or equal to 6. Okay. Then 1x1, 2x2 less than or equal to 6. What did I type? In D6 type 1, in x1 column, in D6 type 1, coefficient of x1. In E6 type 2, F6 leave vacant. G6 type less than or equal to, H6 type 6. D6 1, E6 2, F6 vacant, G6 less than or equal to, H6 6. Second constraint type. Come to third constraint. Minus x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 1. Minus 1x1 plus 1x2 less than or equal to 1. Okay. So, minus 1, 1 less than or equal to 1. That is, third constraint is minus 1 in D7, minus 1 in D7, 1 in E7, F7 vacant, G7 less than or equal to H7 1. D7 minus 1, E7 1, F7 vacant, G7 less than or equal to H7 1. So third constraint entered. Fourth constraint. 0x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 2. 0x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 2. We will type that 0x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 2. So 0x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 2. What did I type? 0 in D8, 0 in D8, 1 in E8, F8 vacant, G8 less than or equal to H8 2. H8 2. Okay. 0x1 plus 1x2 less than or equal to 2. Don't bother about non-negative constraint. We will enter that. Wherever I will tell you where to enter that. Fourth constraint. Now have a look at my table, then compare with your table. It should be same. Have a look at my table and compare with your table. Any one of you can tell whether you have entered this. Any difficulty? Call me. Unmute panni kelunga. Unmute karke puchiyega. Compare with my table and your table. Have both the windows better side by side or exchange between windows. Windows mati paarthukkunga. You tell me whether, any one of you tell me whether you have entered. Then I will tell how to solve this. We have entered only coefficients. We have entered only coefficients. Okay. X1 coefficient in D column, X2 coefficient in E column. First row objective function, third row. Then first constraint, second constraint, third constraint, fourth constraint, only coefficients. யாராவது சொல்லுங்கம்மா, enter பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? இதே மாதிரி இருக்கா?
Entered, sir.
Entered. Okay. ஏதாவது difficulty, any difficulty ask me. ஏதாவது difficulty இருந்தா எனக்கு கேளுங்க. Now I will tell you how to do further things. இப்போ we have to do one more thing. We will do it in H10. H10. In H10, I have to enter the objective function. For that, what I will do, I will mark a place where solution will come. Solution enga varapodhu mark pannikiren. So I have put two boxes in D10, E10. I have put two boxes in D10, E10. Here value of in D10, value of x1 will come. Here in D1 I have written x1, that is labeled. Okay. Now value of x1, solution of x1 will come in D10. D10 la x1 solution varum, E10 la x2 solution varum. वो x1 का उत्तर D10 में आएगा, E10 का उत्तर E10 में आएगा, x2 का उत्तर E10 में आएगा. x1 ओड आंसर D10 ல வரும், x2 ओड आंसर E10 ல வரும். Now I have two boxes. First box is x1, second box is x2. Please remember, put two boxes in D10, E10. Mark them. Go to the top. I am showing you. Go to the border and put borders. Okay, that is to understand where the solution will come. Solution enga varumnu adu paathavona theriyum. Now come to H10. Put a box. H10. Okay, H10. In H10, what is the objective function? 5x1 plus 4x2. 5 into x1 plus 4 into x2. 5 into x1 plus 4 into x2. So this is sum product function. Where is 5 in D3? Where is x1 in D10? Where is 4 in E3? Where is x2 in E10? So we will multiply this D3, E3, 5, 4 to D10, E10, x1, x2 and sum it. So come to H10. In H10 type. In H10 type equal to SUM, sum product, SUMPRODUCT. It will show, formula will come down, formula kiriya varum parunga. Sum product, open the bracket, select D3, E3, that is 5, 4, comma, select the empty boxes, that is E10, D10, E10, close the bracket. Look at my screen and compare with your answer. Sum product D3, E3. In another 5 minutes we will solve this. Sum product D3, E3, comma D10, E10. Enter. What are you getting?
Zero வருது sir.
Zero வருது. இப்போ ஒரு சின்ன செக் பண்ணி பார்க்கலாமா? We will just check. In D10 I will type 2. In E10 I will type 3. What is the answer? 22. 5 into 2 plus 4 into 3. 22. 22 is coming. We will check once more. We will type 3 here, type 4 here. What do I get? 5 into 3 plus 4 into 4. 31. Okay. Let checking is over. We will erase this. 0 will be sitting there. When answer comes here, the objective function will also give profit. Answering varumbodhu anga profit vandrum. Okay. Now, we have one more job to do. Here in H10, what do I have? 5x1 plus 4x2. In H10, I have 5x1 plus 4x2. Now, I have to engage the constraint. Constraint enna irukku? 6x1 plus 4x2. 6x1 plus 4x2. I have to enter. Okay, where do I enter? I will enter in F5. I will come to F5 and enter 6x1 plus 4x2. So, in F5, type equal to sum product SUMPRODUCT, close bracket, open bracket, select D5, E5, comma, select D10, E10, close bracket. Just look at it and see your answer also. In F5, type equal to sum product D5 colon E5 comma D10 colon E10. That is, this is nothing but 6x1 plus 4x2. 6x1 plus 4x2. Enter. We will check now with the answer 1, 1. 6x1, 6 into 1 plus 4 into 1, 10. 6 into 1 plus 4 into 1, 10. Answer will come automatically. This is the trial answer. This is only trial answer. Answer will come automatically. Now we have to type 1x1 plus 2x2. So come to F6. In F6, type equal to sum product, SUMPRODUCT, that is sum of products, open bracket, select D6, E6, comma, D10, E10, close bracket. Just to look at my formula, enoda formula paathukunga, mera formula ko dekhiyega, equal to in F6, type sum product, D6, E6, comma, D10, E10. This is 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1. That is 1x1 plus 2x2 equal to 3. That has come there. Check panniyacha? Right. Next, third constraint, minus x1 plus x2. Minus x1 plus x2. So come to F7. Come to F7. Puriyarudhu nenikkiren. Come to F7. Put equal to SUMPRODUCT, sum product, open bracket, select D7, E7, D7, E7, comma, D10, E10, close bracket. Look at my formula and then compare with your formula. Sum product, D7 colon E7. You can type also. But selecting through mouse is easy. நீங்க டைப்பும் பண்ணலாம், மவுஸ்ல செலக்ட் பண்ணா எரர் இல்லாம வரும். So D7 E7 comma D10 colon E10, enter. This is minus x1 plus x2, that is coming in F7. Come to F8. F8 la 0 x1 plus 1 x2 should come. Okay. So in F8 type equal to SUMPRODUCT, sum product, open bracket, select D8 F8, D8 E8, comma, D10 E10, close bracket. See my formula at F8 equal to sum product, equal to sum product, equal to sum product, D8 E8, comma, D10 E10, enter. Now trial with the trial values, we checked it. Okay, we can erase the trial values. Now compare my table with your table. In case of doubt, ask me. In table, unga table paathukonga. Doubt irundha kelunga. In another minute, we are going to solve this. Eppadi solve pandradhu solren. So what is sitting there in D10 E10? D10 E10 la enna irukku? Yaradhu oruthar? Anybody? What is there in D10 E10?
x1 x2.
Values. Very good, very good. Happy. Okay. What is sitting there in H10? H10 la enna irukku? What is there in H10? Objective function. Objective function. Enna function? Objective function. 5x1 plus 4x2 irukku. What is there in F5? First constraint, 6x1 plus 4x2. Okay. In F6, 1x1 plus 2x2. Like that, everything is there. Now, this is the problem posted to Excel sheet. Okay. So, when you do it for many times, you can do it faster. We will go to solver and solve this. This is okay. Just compare. Idhula unna doubt illiye. Isme shak nahi hai. If you have doubts, ask me. Otherwise, I will tell you how to do it in solver in another 2 minutes. Come to data tab. Come to data tab. In any version of Excel, data tab solver irukkum. The data tab irukkum. Come to data tab. In data tab, do you see in analysis column a solver will be sitting? Is it there? Solver. Just have a look at it. Enoda screen parungo. Mera screen dekhiyega. Look at my screen. In data tab, there will be so many tabs. Home tab, insert tab, page layout, formula. Then click data tab. In data tab, solver add in will be sitting. Solver add in இங்க இருக்கு. Okay? இருக்கா? Click that solver add in. அதை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. ஒரு மாடல் வருது. A table is coming. Correct? A table is coming. Put it in a corner. Okay. Just watch what I do, then you can do. Okay? Just watch what I do. First, some mic is on. Some mic is on. You can mute. ஏதோ ஒரு மைக் ஓப்பன்ல இருக்கு. லாவண்யா, சுகுமாரன், கீர்த்தனா, சுபாஷினி எல்லாம் மியூட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். டவுட் இருந்தா மாத்திரம் ஓபன் பண்ணுங்க. ஓபன் இட் ஒன்லி when you have doubt. Otherwise some other noise is coming. காவ்யா, கவிதா, கீர்த்தனா all you can mute. Mute பண்ணிடுங்க.
Please mute your audio.
Please mute your audio. In case you have doubt, unmute and immediately ask. டவுட் இருந்தா அன்மியூட் பண்ணிட்டு இமிடியேட்டா கேளுங்க. மைக் ஆன் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்காதீங்க. I am telling repeatedly this Kirtana, Subhashini, Kavita, that will create problem. Some background noise will come. Okay? ஏதோ பஸ் ஓடுது, நியூஸ் சத்தம் வந்துகிட்டே இருக்கு. There is some noise is coming. All of you mute please. Mute your audio. Okay? Still many are there. Okay. பார்க்கலாம். Now come to this solver. Listen carefully and solve this. I will give one exercise. In this, the first row is to select the objective function. Delete whatever is there. Cursor objective tab irukkom. Set objective irukkom. 2007 version li same irukkom. The words may differ. Objective function edavadhu irukkom. The first one set objective irukku. Put cursor there. Then select this E10 carefully. Oh, what H10? $H, $10 should come. $H, $10 adala vandirukum. $H, $10 would have come. Don't place cursor anywhere else. Vera engum panna vendam. Now next one, 2. Maximum, minimum value of 3 are there illaya. Maximum na maximize. Minimum na minimize. Third one will come when you are given a money and asked to spend the full money. For example, உங்களுக்கு ஒரு 20 ரூபாய் டோக்கன் கொடுத்தாங்க வச்சுக்கோங்க. மெஸ்ல போய் சாப்பிடுறது 20 rupees token. You cannot spend more, you cannot spend less. 20 rupees exactா செலவு பண்ணணும். So in that case value of has to be clicked. Now click maximum. Another is minimum. Okay, click maximum. Click maximum. Then one more row is there. By changing variable cells. By changing variable cells. Which are variable cells? D10, E10. They are variable cells. So click in that empty box. By changing variable cells. In that menu you click. Then move mouse carefully. Don't click anywhere else. Click, select D10, E10. Select D10, E10. So $D, $10, colon, $E, $10 will come. போட்டாச்சா அது? இது ரெண்டும் செலக்ட் பண்ணியாச்சா?
Yes sir.
Yes. Then subject to constraint. Click in that. Subject to constraints இருக்கும். Sideல என்ன இருக்கு? What you have by the side? Add, change, delete, reset, load. We will click add. You have to add a constraint. Click add. Which constraint to be added? Add constraint. Cell reference less than or equal to inequality and constraint 3 are coming. In the first cell reference, you must select F5. What is there in F5? 6x1 plus 4x2. Product is there. Some product. 6x1 plus 4x2. That is the first constraint. 6x1 plus 4x2. Where is it? In F5. So select F5. $F, $5 will come. Then come to the drop down menu. What is there? Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, int, bin, all are there. This int is for integer programming. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to any one you select. இதில் ஏதாவது ஒன்று select பண்ணிக்கலாம். Less than or equal to select பண்ணிக்கிறேன். அதான் இப்போ இருக்குது. Then click in the constraint box. Constraint box. What is the constraint 24? Where is it? In H5. So click at H5. So what did I do? Enna pannine? Add constraint click pannittu. Now add constraint box has come. In that cell reference box la enna click pannine? F5. Why F5? In F5 6x1 plus 4x2 irukudhu. In F5 6x1 plus 4x2 is there. Then less than or equal to on the menu le. Then in constraint box select 24, that is H5. Then click OK. Enna vandirukku? What is sitting there? $F $5 less than or equal to $H $5. Adding the first constraint. இது யாருக்காவது வரலைன்னா எனக்கு சொல்லுங்க. Hope all of you have done this. If you couldn't get this, ask me. शक है तो पूछिएगा. சந்தேகம் இருந்தா கேளுங்க. எப்படி constraint add பண்றது சொல்லிட்டு. If there is no doubt, I will add the other constraints and solve this and give one exercise to you. எல்லாருக்கும் இது வந்துட்டா? Have you put $F $5 less than or equal to $H $5? போட்டுட்டீங்களா? Have you done it? Yes. Yes. No doubt. I think all have done. Then I will tell you how to add second constraint. Click add button. In the add constraint cell reference box, select F6. Select F6. There 1x1 plus 2x2 is there. Okay. Then select less than or equal to in the second drop down menu. And in the constraint select 6. That is H6. H7. Select H7. And click OK. So two constraints. First constraint $F $5 less than or equal to $H $5 and $F $6 less than or equal to $H $6. That has come. Okay. Then click add. Third constraint. What's the third cell reference? Third constraint minus x1 plus x2. That is in F7. That is in F7. Correct? In F7, you have put the formula. Enna formula potirkinga? Minus x1 plus x2 potirkinga. Okay. Then select less than or equal to. Then in the constraint, select 1. That is what? H7. So this is F7 less than or equal to H7. Click OK. Third constraint vanduchi. Then add. Click add. Fourth constraint. Fourth constraint is in F8. 0x1 plus 1x2 is in F8. Correct? F8. Then select less than or equal to. Then in the constraint box, select 2. That is what? E8. What is that? H8. That is 2. Click OK. So you will see there 4 constraints. Ennalla constraint irukanga? Ennalla constraint irukku? F5 less than or equal to H5, F6 less than or equal to H6, F7 less than or equal to H7, F8 less than or equal to H8. Now, in the down, if you are using Excel 2010, இங்க பார்க்கிறபடி there will be a box make constrained variables non-negative. One box இருக்கும். If you are using Excel 2007 யூஸ் பண்றீங்கன்னா சைடுல ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் ஒரு பாக்ஸ் இருக்கும். என்ன இருக்கும்? ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் அப்படின்னு ஒரு பட்டன் இருக்கும். Anybody using Excel 2007? யாராவது Excel 2007 யூஸ் பண்றீங்களா? ஓகே. அப்போ ஆப்ஷன் ஒரு பாக்ஸ் கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. Click a box called options on the right hand side. 2010 the option is just below the menu. Here I am showing. பாருங்க, make unconstrained variables non-negative னு ஒன்று இருக்கும். But in 2007, click options. Right side option இருக்கும். Click options. In that, there will be empty boxes. That is, assume non-negativity, assume linear. 2 boxes will be there. இருக்கா?
Yes, sir.
அதை செக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Assume linear because linear programming problem. Assume non-negativity because non-negativity is there. Click those 2 boxes. Click OK. Don't touch anything else. Okay. Okay. For 2010 users, 13 users, that will be make unconstrained variables non-negative. That is already selected. Then select a solving method. This won't be there in 2007. It automatically selects simplex. If there's a menu, select simplex. Okay. In that simplex LP, you select. You see my menu. GRG nonlinear, simplex evolutionary. Select simplex. Simplex method. Okay. Select simplex method if that menu is there. 2007 இருக்காதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். இருக்குதா 2007 அது மாதிரி மெத்தட்?
இல்ல சார்.
இல்ல, தானா போட்டுக்கும். அது தானா போட்டுக்கும். Okay. இதுல வந்து if simplex select பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Now all this is over. I think just have a look at it. We will click OK and get the answer. இது எல்லாம் இருக்கான்னு உங்களுக்கு பார்த்துக்கோங்க. யாருக்காவது இல்லைன்னா சொல்லுங்க. If anybody not having this my table, you tell me. In the set objective, H10 must be there. In changing variable, D10 colon E10. In constraint, F5 less than or equal to H5, F6 less than or equal to H6, F7 less than or equal to H7, F8 less than or equal to H8. Then, in case of 2007, click options, click linear, click non-negative, then click OK. Otherwise, in below that, already make unconstrained variables non-negative will be already selected for you. Keep it. Select simplex method. Now, if everything is there, click solve. Solve பண்ணிட்டு என்ன answer எனக்கு சொல்லுங்க. You just click solve and tell me the answer.
X1 3, sir.
Yes. X2 1.5. அவ்வளவுதான். 21.
Objective 21.
Very good. Anybody not getting this? I will give an exercise now. நீங்க போட்டு பார்க்கலாம். தனியா போட்டு பார்க்கிற தெம்பு இருக்கா? அப்போ can you do it on your own? If I give something, I will guide you. Okay. ஒரு எக்ஸசைஸ் தரேன். இப்போ இதே மாடல்ல ஒரு எக்ஸசைஸ் தரேன். 3 1.5 21 has come. Okay. Now you go to another workbook, not another sheet. You save this and go to another workbook. ஒரு எக்ஸசைஸ் தரேன். Go to another workbook. Go to another workbook. I will give you one more problem. Okay. என்ன problem? Point ஒன்னெல்லாம் ஒரு மாதிரி இருக்கு. Select something. I will give you one problem. Please take it down and then solve it. x1 plus x2. Simple problem. I want to select a small problem for you. I will do it in graphical method. One minute. I will select a simple problem for you. 1 minute. சின்ன ப்ராப்ளம் ஒன்று எடுத்துறேன். Can take this for example. Take this problem. இது போடலாமா? பெருசா இருக்கா? Please take this problem. சின்ன ப்ராப்ளமா போடுவோம். Maximize. Put it on the screen. Please write it down, then do. That is easier. எழுதிக்குங்க நல்லது. Maximize z equal to 2x1 plus 3x2. Maximize z equal to 2x1 plus 3x2. Subject to 2x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 4. 2x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 4. x1 plus 2x2 less than or equal to 5. x1 plus 2x2 less than or equal to 5. x1 comma x2 greater than or equal to 0. x1 comma x2 greater than or equal to 0. Maximize z equal to 2x1 plus 3x2. Subject to 2x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 4. x1 plus 2x2 less than or equal to 5. x1 x2 greater than or equal to 0. தமிழ்ல சொல்றேன் என்ன பண்ணணும்னு உங்களுக்கு சொல்றேன். I will say it in Tamil then in English. முதல்ல x1 x2 ரெண்டு காலம் கிரியேட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. x1 காலத்துல x1 ஓட கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் எல்லாம் போடுங்க. x2 காலத்துல x2 ஓட கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் எல்லாம் போடுங்க. So first 2 3 போடுங்க. Then ஒரு கேப் விட்டு 2 1 போடுங்க. Then ஒரு less than or equal to போட்டு ஒரு 4 போடுங்க. நான் போன இதுல போட்ட மாதிரி. Then 1 2 போட்டு 5 போடுங்க. என்னது 1 2 போட்டு 5 போடுங்க. Okay? I will also do it side by side. Those who have doubt watch me. What do you do? Put two columns x1 x2 as we did earlier. In x1 column put x2 coefficients. You can start solving if you are clear. Take the previous model. அதே model வச்சு நம்பர் மாத்தி கூட போடலாம். Then x2 column put x2s. Then leave one column blank. In that we will type formula. In the next column type less than or equal to. In the next column type the constants 4 and 5. Okay? I will also do side by side. We will have 15 minutes to do. நானும் பண்றேன். I will also do. Maybe करूंगा उसमें. You can also follow it. Try doing it or watching what I do. I think we can start doing it. போட ஆரம்பிக்கலாமா? Can we start doing it? Will you do?
Yes, sir.
Try பண்ணிட்டு சொல்லுங்க. Just start doing it. I will also do for you. I will also do side by side. Okay? You first do. Then I will also follow it up. Should not take much time. Only one and two constraints. Okay? பண்ணி பாருங்க. என்னோட ஆன்சர் கூட கம்பேர் பண்ணிக்கலாம். You can compare with my answers. Okay? Let us try. We will start doing it. There are two variables x1 x2. So in d1 I type x1, in e1 I type x2. Two columns. I will click in the left corner and center everything. So first one is objective function. What are the coefficients of objective function? 2 and 3. So we will type 2 in against x1 column, 3 against x2 column. Then I will have to type 2 constraints. So first constraint. Nanu type pandren. I am also typing. You can watch. You can do on your own also. First constraint coefficients 2, 1. So 2, 2, 1. Second constraint coefficients 1, 2. 1, 2. Now I have to type the inequality. Okay. So in both are less than or equal to, so I am typing less than or equal to. What is the constant for first constraint? 4. For second constraint 5. So 4, 5 I am typing. Then render 2 boxes I must leave for x1, x2. I am doing 2 boxes for x1, x2. Then 1 box for objective function. So இது கிரியேட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். இதை கொஞ்சம் பாருங்க. இந்த பார்த்துக்கலாம். நீங்க தனியா அடிச்சாலும் அடிங்கோ. Objective function, then first constraint, second constraint, all coefficients I have typed now. Sub coefficients को उसमें डाल दिया है. I have put all coefficients. Yes, any doubt? எல்லா coefficients அதில் போட்டாச்சு. I have imported all coefficients there. Right. Next we have to type formula. What's the first formula? Objective function. Objective function is 2x1 plus 3x2. So I am putting it in one column. Some product. This 2, 3, comma, x1, x2, close bracket. Then here I have to type first constraint equal to sum PRODUCT open this 2 comma this D4 E4 then D7 E7 close. Then here sum PRODUCT open this 1 comma this comma this x1 x2 close bracket enter. So ella enter பண்ணிருக்கேன். Now I will show the formula. How to show the formula in this? There is a option. Go to formula tab. Then there is a show formula button in formula tab. Click show formula. So formulas will be shown.
Sir,
இந்த சின்னது பண்ணி காமிக்கிறேன்.
answer 1, 2 sir.
ஓ ஆன்சரே போட்டாச்சா?
8.
சரி. அப்ப
x1 1 x2 2.
அப்ப ஷோ ஃபார்முலாவை எடுத்துட்டு ஆன்சர் போட்டுடலாம். இதோ வரேன். Now we will go to solver, data, solver. This is this changing variable, these two, and subject to constraint, this, comma, this, okay, then add this, comma, this, okay, select simplex method, solve. There you go. Objective function. What's answer? இது அங்க போயிட்டு அந்த கணக்கு என்ன அது பழைய கணக்கு அதை க்ளோஸ் பண்ணி
1 2 sir.
1 2 8
8.
இதுல ஃபார்முலா பண்ணி காமிக்கிறேன் உங்களுக்கு. யாருக்காவது வரலைன்னா பாருங்க ஷோ ஃபார்முலா. I am showing formula here. This is you can click the formula, show formula tab to show the formula. Formula adala kaamichiruken. I have shown the formula there. Answer is also sitting there. Anybody not getting 1 to 8 yarka poda mudiyaliya thirupi idha solli tharanama vera edavadhu descriptive problem polama. Many participants sitting there. Edavadhu doubt irukka edavadhu potrukala chat box la. Very informative session. Other than if any agent please left from the meeting. Oh, only MSc students are there. Raise your voice. Audio is mild. Why? Satham kekliya anna?
No, sir, very much audible.
Very much audible, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, tell me whether many people have got this answer. Yarkad answer baralena sollunga. If you have not got the answer, tell me. Otherwise, I will show you something big in another 45 minutes. I will tell you how to do a descriptive problem. How எவ்வளோ பெரிய ப்ராப்ளம் இதில் போடலாம் அப்படின்னு உங்களுக்கு காமிக்க போறேன். சின்ன சின்ன எக்ஸாம்பிள். ஸோ இது ஃபார்முலா பார்த்துட்டீங்களா? இதான் ஃபார்முலா. ஐ வில் ஹைட் தி ஃபார்முலா. போட்டாச்சா? ஆன்சர் போட்டாச்சாம்மா? வேற ஏதாவது கணக்கு போலாமா? கேன் வி கோ டு சம் அதர் பிக் ப்ராப்ளம்?
Okay,
Anybody
sir.
did not do it? All did it? யாருக்காவது வரலையா? Has anybody not done this? 1 to 8. Did anybody not get 1 to 8? The answer? Nobody? So hopefully எல்லாரும் போட்டாச்சு போல் இருக்கு. All have done this. Okay, then I will show something else if you have done this. Okay, I will show a list of problems what can be done here. I will show you. Worksheet this I will send to you. The practice problem with the answers I will send to you. Okay. Practice problems. I will go to some problems which can be modeled in a real life problem. Model panni da paaka mudiyum. You should only model the problem. I will show some models. Just have a look at them. Then one or two I will do now. Have a look at this first problem. Small problems. It can be big problem also. What big problem can you handle? I will give you an example. Suppose you have to advertise about your college in media. Advertise about your college in media. What are all the other options? Many options. So many television channels. So many, what is that? Radio channels. So many newspapers. So how many television channels? Maybe 20 television channels, 20 newspapers, okay, and 10 radios. You can advertise in any one of this. But there are various options. In newspaper, Sunday, Saturday, some rate. First page, one rate. Second page, one rate. Interior side, one rate. Small size, big size advertisement. So many rates. In television channel, if you advertise before the serial, after the serial, in between the serial, during cinema, so many rates. Okay, like that. So many options. How many options can be there? Dozens of options. Hundreds of options can be there. Okay, hundreds of options. This TV, this time. This TV, next time. Another TV, another time. அப்படி நிறைய variety இருக்கும். நூற்றுக்கணக்கில் option. And the rates மாறும். If you advertise the beginning of cinema, there is another rate. If you advertise somewhere during midnight, there will be lesser rate. Okay. And what is your aim? Maximum people should see your advertisement. That is the aim. How many variables can be here? Hundreds of variables. நிறைய variable. இந்த நியூஸ்பேப்பர்ல எவ்வளவு அட்வர்டைஸ்மெண்ட் கொடுக்கலாம்? In that TV channel, in which slot advertisement should be given. So many options. Big problem. It will have hundreds of variables, and objective is to maximize views. So view in first channel, you will have TRP rating. You will know how many will view, how many lakhs will view this. எவ்வளவு லட்சம் பேர் பார்ப்பாங்க கணக்கு. So problem can be very big. Now look at this problem. The problem பாருங்க. Please have a look at this problem. There is a office which can take up to 10 temporary employees. தமிழ்ல சொல்லட்டுமா? ஒரு ஆபீஸ் இருக்கு. I am telling in Tamil. ஒரு ஆபீஸ் இருக்கு. அதுல 10 பேர் எடுக்கலாம். 10 பேர் எடுக்க போறாங்க. அதுல ஒரு மேல் எம்ப்ளாயி எடுத்தானா ஒரு 300 லெட்டர் பார்ப்பார். அது இந்த போஸ்ட் ஆபீஸ் மாதிரி, கூரியர் ஆபீஸ். அவர் 300 லெட்டர் எழுதுவார். 80 பேக்கேஜ் பார்ப்பார். ஃபீமேல் எம்ப்ளாயி 400 லெட்டர் எழுதுவாங்க. 50 பேக்கேஜ் ஹேண்டில் பண்ணுவாங்க ஒரு நாளைக்கு. ஒரு நாளைக்கு எத்தனை லெட்டர் வரும்? 3400 லெட்டர்ஸ் வருது. எத்தனை பேக்கேஜஸ் வரும்? 680 பேக்கேஜஸ் வருது. ஒரு மேல் எம்ப்ளாய்க்கு 150 ரூபீஸும் ஃபீமேல் எம்ப்ளாய்க்கு 140 கொடுக்குறாங்க. எங்கிட்ட சண்டைக்கு வராதிங்க, ப்ராப்ளத்தில் இப்படி இருக்கு. இதுல என்ன பண்ணணும்? யூ ஹாவ் டு மாடல் இட் as a linear programming problem to find out how many male and how many female helpers you will hire. எது மேக்ஸிமமா இருக்கணும்? அந்த பெனிஃபிட்ஸ் மேக்ஸிமமா இருக்கணும். payroll should be minimum, cost minimum இருக்கணும். So let me summarize the problem. There is a courier company which can hire up to 10 employees, a mix of male employee and female employee. A male employee can handle 300 letters and 80 packages. Female employee can handle 400 letters and 50 packages. 3400 letters are expected. 680 packages are expected. That's one estimate. Okay. Now, how many males, how many females I must employ to minimize the cost and to meet the requirement? எத்தனை வேரியபிள் இதுல இருக்கு? How many variables? What are they? எத்தனை வேரியபிள் இருக்கு? யார் என்னென்ன வேரியபிள்?
Male and female.
எத்தனை மேல் எத்தனை ஃபீமேல் சொல்லிட்டு வேரியபிள். Done. Very good. So x1 x2 ரெண்டு இருக்கு. இத don't convert this into equations. நம்ம இந்த பக்கமா போய் போட்டு பார்க்கலாம். ஓகே. நான் இத எப்படி எக்ஸல் ஷீட்ல போடுறது அப்படி பார்க்கலாம். போட்டதை உங்களுக்கு காமிக்கிறேன். ஆல்ரெடி ஐ ஹேவ் டன் தட். ஐ வில் சென்ட் ஆல் திஸ் டு யூ. நிறைய மாடல் போட்டு வச்சிருக்கேன். இந்த மாடல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு அனுப்பி தரேன். ஓகே. நீங்க கம்பேர் பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். ஒரு எக்ஸசைஸ் போட்டு பார்க்கலாம். So open ஆயிடுச்சு. So I will tell you more how to put colors and all. That also I will tell. Okay. Now have a look at this. The formula இப்படி frame பண்றோம். How to put colors. Now I am not writing x1, x2. I am writing male, female. How to put colors? Go to any cell. Fill the fill one. You should go to the fill box and select the appropriate color. That color will come there. Why are we coloring? What is the meaning of coloring? That is, data cells are put in one color. அதாவது data cell ஆனது கொடுத்த data. Numbers கொடுத்திருக்குது இல்லை? That number should not change. You should not accidentally change it. So data cells are in blues. I am putting blue. Output cells. Output cells have formula. That is, don't delete it. Formula will be sitting there. You may be thinking 0 is there, you can delete. Don't delete. So be careful. In output cells, I am putting a different color. Changing cells. Changing cells are variables. The changing cells, we cannot put anything. Solver will put the answer. Solver தான் அதில் answer போடும். They are changing cells. target cell on the objective. Target cell is objective. Now, how to frame this? You have a look at it, then try to frame this. How have I framed this? Just have a look at it. Idile male, female, 2 columns I am putting. 2 columns. Male wage 150, female wage 140. So 150, 140 enter panniten. Then there are 3 constraints. Enna constraint? Letter, packages, persons. Persons, male plus female cannot exceed 10. Male plus female should not exceed 10. Letters, there will be minimum of 3,400 letters. There will be minimum of 680 packages. So, இது இந்த மாதிரி மாடல் பண்ணிருக்கேன். இங்க what is there in 3,400? Some product of persons and letters. How do you get these names? Name போடுறதுக்கு ஒரு சின்ன hint I will give. Suppose F3 I want to name. Click at F3. Come to the top left box. There F3 is there. F3 பார்க்கறீங்களா? You are seeing F3 there. Delete that F3 and put Gopal. I am putting there Gopal. Press enter. Then if you click again in F2, F2 is shown. If you click in F3, Gopal is coming. You have named that cell. And the cell ku per kodutittinga. Usko naam de diya. So Gopal. Name has come there. Okay. So like that, in the formula tab, I have put to some product of persons letters. Persons is the variable 64, that male female. Persons comma letters. So 300, 400 comma 6 comma 4 comma 64. 300, 400 into 64. So what is the advantage of putting names? Paatha puriyum enna pandrom solliட்டு அதுக்கு names கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Okay. Now this is one model. This is one model. Another small model I will show you. We will solve any simple model. Have a look at this problem. Can you try to solve this problem? இந்த problem solve பண்ணி காமிக்கிறீங்களா எனக்கு? கப்போர்ட் இல்ல ஏதா சின்ன problem இருக்கா? Two different things, 2 words to make two level, 3 words. This can be simpler. Look at the 5th problem. Look at the 5th problem. இது போட்டு காமிக்கிறீங்களா? In another 15 minutes. Can you reframe this in Excel? Just to go through. A cold in a Pepsi company, like some company, it wishes to bottle 2 different drinks. Drink 1, drink 2. The problem simpler irukama, vera problem venuma? ஒன்னு சொல்ல மாட்டேங்கிறீங்களே. இந்த மாடல் போடுறீங்களா? இது போடுறீங்களா? Third problem, go through the third problem. ஈஸியா இருக்கா? எந்த ப்ராப்ளம் ஈஸியா இருக்கு எனக்கு சொல்லுங்க. Third problem, whether you understand this problem. Solution open பண்ணிருக்கேன். Now you go through the problem and tell me whether it is easy. Then you solve it and show me. I will also solve it and show you. Just go through this problem. It's an automobile manufacturer, Max Automobiles and Trucks. Automobiles and trucks. Factory is divided into 2 shops. shop 1 which performs basic assembly operation must work 5 man days on each truck, but only 2 man days. Man days chonna, it is 1 day, 8-hour day. That is man day. They work for only 8 hours, no? So 1 man day is 8 hours, something like that. So shop 1 which performs basic assembly operation must work 5 man days on truck, 2 man days on automobile. Okay, 2 things, automobile and a truck. Rendu shop irukku. Shop 1 performs basic assembly operations must work for 5 man days each truck, 2 man days for each automobile. Shop 2 which performs finishing operation must work 3 man days on each automobile and 3 man days on truck that produces. Limit irukku. Enna irukku? Shop 1 has 180 man days only maximum. Shop 2 has 135 man days maximum. The manufacturer makes a profit of 300 on each truck and 200 on each automobile. Formulate the problem as a linear programming problem. எத்தனை வேரியபிள் இருக்குது இல்ல? How many variables are there? What are they? Do you
Shop
understand?
1 and shop 2, sir. 2 variables.
Shop 1 and shop 2. Shop 1 and shop 2.
Or automobiles and trucks. Anything can be, sir.
Shop 1 and shop 2, just look at the model. Shop 1 and shop 2 are constraints. Okay. How many automobiles, how many trucks? That is the problem. They are the 2 variables. Look at the problem. How many automobiles to produce? How many trucks to produce? How many automobile to produce? How many trucks to produce? Automobile or variable, truck is another variable. Okay. Now have a look at, I have framed the problem, just have a look at it. அதுக்கப்புறம் உங்களுக்கு என்ன மாதிரி எக்ஸசைஸ் வேணுமோ தரேன், either word problem or ordinary problem, any one problem I will give. Okay, have a look at this. Auto is one variable, one column. Truck is another variable, another column. Okay, so what is the profit on auto? Profit on auto 200, it is given here. Profit on auto is 200, profit on truck is 300. So close. Profit on auto 200, profit on truck 300. So this is the objective function. Then shop 1 needed 2 hours for auto, shop 1 needed 5 hours for truck. So 2 5 is put there. Shop 2 3 hours for auto, 3 hours for truck. So 3 3 put there. And the production is the number of variables and rest is similar. The problem பாருங்க. இப்போ I am asking the participants whether you like word problem for practice or can I give an ordinary problem for practice now in the next half an hour. What do you want? Ordinary problem with the x1 x2 so that you can practice it. இதெல்லாம் modeling. What is happening? You will take the problem, convert it into x1 x2 and solve here. So I will send this bunch. I have some 10 to 12 problems solved. I will send this. You can compare. Now shall I give an ordinary problem for you to practice? சொல்லுங்க. ஏதாவது ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் இப்ப தரட்டமா போட்டு பார்க்கிறதுக்கு? Do I give any one problem for you to practice now? Ordinary problem with x1 x2. Okay, போடுறீங்களா? சரி, இப்போ ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் தரேன் உங்களுக்கு. இந்த modeling from a word problem to x1 x2 you must practice. I will send you a number of problems. I will send you a number of problems with the answers so that you can do it. Okay, இப்போ ஒரு எக்ஸசைஸ் உங்களுக்கு தரேன், maybe somewhat big. maybe somewhat big. I will give something to you so that you do and tell me. நீங்களா போட்டு எனக்கு ஆன்சர் சொல்லணும். Another 15 minutes. I will give you a suitable problem. Okay. Take this problem. Write this and do in next half an hour. Shall I dictate the problem? Minimize z equal to 3x1 plus 8x2 subject to x1 plus x2 greater than or equal to 8, 2x1 minus 3x2 less than or equal to 0, x1 plus 2x2 less than or equal to 30, 3x1 minus x2 greater than or equal to 0, x1 less than or equal to 10, x2 greater than or equal to 9, x1, x2 greater than or equal to 0. This is the problem. You first write it down, the problem எழுதிக்குங்க, then try in the same model. I will give you 15 minutes. Solve this and then tell me. நான் முதல்ல ஆன்சர் சொல்ல மாட்டேன். Okay. Then what I will do, I will send you some 10 to 12 word problems, small word problems like the one I showed you, and along with the answers, along with the Excel answers. So you can try to model a linear programming problem into equations and then to Excel. அது மாதிரி உங்களால practice பண்ண முடியும். So many real life problems இருக்கு. அந்த லிஸ்ட் கூட உங்களுக்கு காமிக்கிறேன் கடைசியில. கடைசியில I show you a list, I will send it to you. எவ்வளவு பெரிய ப்ராப்ளங்கள் இதுல போடலாம். You start working on this. I will keep talking. You start working on this. Generally, I will tell. See, suppose there is a big mall, supermarket. There people work in shifts. People work in shifts. First shift, second shift, third shift. It may start at 8 o'clock. From 8 o'clock to 2 o'clock, one shift to 2 o'clock to this one shift to night, one shift to 3 shifts can be there. So how many employees can be taken here to minimize the cost? Minimize the cost. That can be one problem. Okay. Like that, many problems are there in optimization. Now you start doing this problem. I will wait for some time. Okay. I will also do side by side, but I want you to do and tell me the answer. I will also be typing side by side. Okay. Please start doing. பண்ணி பார்த்துட்டு எனக்கு சொல்லுங்க. Please do it and then tell me. So if you are able to do on your own, you will be able to do real life problems. Model is same. Okay. பண்ணிட்டே இருங்க. Keep doing. I will also do. You can. Now greater than or equal to is coming. You have to select it carefully. Okay. Some are greater than or equal to. Select the option carefully. Otherwise things are same. whatever you type in Excel sheet, this less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, has no meaning. You must do it in solver. This whatever we type in the Excel sheet, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, is for our understanding. Okay. One, two, three. போட்டிங்களா? Yes, any doubt? Now, what is the advantage of typing in Excel? You can change any coefficient anytime. You can change any coefficient anytime. So answer will change automatically. Okay. 0, 1, 0, 1.
Please make sure let us scan the copy of payment.
Yes.
With your name, roll number, bank name, UTI number, from whose account has been transferred. Is mail to mail ID கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. And also the appreciation and you could confirm the same.
What is going on? And make sure you have to minimize. You have to click min. And some constraints are greater than or equal to, some are less than or equal to, select appropriately. Select appropriately. Okay. I am also doing side by side. Whoever does it faster, let me know. தனியா போட்டு பாருங்க. சந்தேகம் இருந்தா நான் போடுறத பாருங்க. If you have doubt, to look at what I do. Otherwise, keep doing on your own and tell me what you have done. If you have doubts, when you try some problem, if you have doubts, send the Excel sheet to me, not screenshot. Okay, mail the Excel sheet to me. I can correct it and give back to you. Okay, anytime, not even these 2 days. Later, when you try, if you have doubts, if you come across any doubt in any problem, you send me the Excel sheet what you have tried. I have done this, it has not come the problem. Okay, what I can do, I can help you. I will revert back to the mail. Okay, now let me do it.
Sir, answer is
அடாடா இவ்வளவு வேகமா போட்டாங்களாப்பா என்னோட
3981 sir.
அட ராமா, இதோ வரேன். நான் பாட்டு பேசிக்கிட்டு இருக்கேன், இவங்க பாட்டு போட்டுட்டு போயிட்டாங்க. இதோ வரேன். Minimum changing variable subject to constraint, add this greater than or equal to this, add this less than or equal to this, add this less than or equal to this, add this greater than or equal to this, add this is than or equal to this, add this greater than or equal to this. Okay, then simplex The answer, Amma?
Yes, sir.
3981. Okay, all are getting this answer. I will show the formula. I will show the formulas for you. Formulas உங்களுக்கு காமிச்சிருக்கேன். It is 3981. Those who have doubts in the formula, please have a look at it. Please have a look at it. எல்லாரும் போட்டுட்டீங்களா? Have all of you done? Maybe you can put in chat box whether you have done or not done. So I will show you some other problems. You can put in chat box and whether you have done it or not done. The answer is 3881. 3881. Okay, is it so? 3981. 3981. If you have doubt, any doubt now, unmute and ask. Otherwise, I can show you a list of problems, big problems that can be solved using this operation research. I will show some if any doubt is there, you can ask. Otherwise, I can show you some problems and solutions. How big the problems can be. அப்படி உங்களுக்கு போட்டு காமிப்பேன். ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்தா கேட்கலாம். If any doubt is there, you can ask me. I don't believe. All of you now, 120 participants are there. All have done this. I would like to hear from one or two. Any participants from North India? Could you do it? Anybody from Karnataka? Could you do it? Anybody from Tamil Nadu? Could you do it? Pottingala? Purinjida? Doubts irka? Any one or two can unmute and tell me, so that I can show you something else and send you the exercises. Innor exercise podringla? Illa I show you the how linear programming can be used for your dissertations, project work. Adu mari eda idea kudukren. Another 15 minutes. If you have any doubts, ask me. Tamil la kelungo, ille ask in English, or if you are a Hindi person, Hindi mein puchiyega. I have no problem. Tell me if you have done this. Nesama போட்டிங்களா? எனக்கு தெரியல. நெசமா எல்லாரும் போட்டிங்களா? யாராவது 2-3 பேர் சொல்லலாம். MSc girls. Anybody who have done this, tried these problems, did you get the answer 3981 and all that? I would like to ask. Or you can put in chat box also whether you did it or not. See, there are two ways to attend workshop. For certificates or to gain knowledge. If you are sat there for gain knowledge, there must be some doubts. Ask me doubts. Otherwise, I will show you something else. I will wait for a minute. If you have doubts, you can ask me. Or could you do it? Tell me whether it was easy for you. Easy arundada, purinjida, pottingala. ஏதாவது எனக்கு சொல்லலாம்.
ஹரிதா, லாவண்யா.
யாராவது? புரிஞ்சுதாம்மா?
புரிஞ்சுது சார்.
நல்லது. சரி, அப்புறம் anybody else?
லாவண்யா. எஸ் மேம்.
போட்டிங்களாம்மா? ஓகே. anybody else? கவிதா, சுபாஷினி, many are there. Okay. சரி. I assume that all have done. I will show you some models in another 10 minutes. Okay. In another 10 minutes, I will show you some models. So how to apply this linear programming problems? A variety of problems I will just read and tell you. என்னெல்லாம் ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கு if you want to do some project or something எப்படி போடலாம் அப்படி சொல்றேன். MSc project work or even PhDs can be done using this. So one problem, there is a cabinet maker who wants to do two models of showcases. The two models need two kinds of wood and certain labor, and profit are given. So how much model 1 he should make, how much model 2 he should make. This can be solved like this, the ordinary problem. And this can be expanded, like a problem can be expanded. I am expanding the same problem, like there are 5 models now which use 3 varieties of wood: plywood, rosewood, redwood, all that wood he is using. Problem is expanded now, 5 models, 3 woods. Okay, now how this problem will look like? It will look like this. இந்த மாதிரி பெருசாயிடும் அந்த ப்ராப்ளம். எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் பண்ணிட்டே போலாம். You can just insert and expand. One more model I will tell. Now you can insert constraints. For example, after framing this model, the seller feels model 5 cannot be prepared more than 15. Model 5 க்கு 15 க்கு மேல demand இல்லை. Model 5 has no demand beyond 15. Another modification. So a regular customer wants to book model 1, but whereas our solution says model 1 need not be prepared. Model 1 need not be prepared சொல்லுது. ஆனா regular customer, one fellow is coming and asking for one piece of model 1. If we do it, how will it affect profit? One more question. Suppose the solution says prepare 0 model 1, 0 model 2, 0 model 3, 0 model 4, prepare only model 5. But the owner wants to prepare one model each and put it in the showcase. ஒன்னு பண்ணி ஷோகேஸ்ல வைக்கணும்னு நினைக்கிறாரு. அப்படி பண்ணினா எப்படி ப்ராஃபிட் அஃபெக்ட் ஆகும்? அப்படி கேட்டா அதுக்கு இதிலே மாடல் பண்ணிக்கலாம். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் மோர், ஒரு பொக்கே ப்ராப்ளம். பொக்கே, அதாவது யூ நோ ஹவு டு ப்ரொடியூஸ் பொக்கே. இன் பொக்கே என்னெல்லாம் இருக்கும்? நிறைய ஃப்ளவர்ஸ் இருக்கும். ஒன் ரோஸ் வில் பி தேர், ஒன் சம் அதர் ஃப்ளவர். So there is a problem in which there are 4 types of bouquets. For each bouquet, selling price is there. In one bouquet, some flowers: rose, jasmine, gilliflower. In another bouquet, nosegay, another gilliflower, rose, Bengal rose, all that is there, varieties. For each rose, there are limitations. Japanese rose chonna only 1500 is sitting. I have only 1500. Each has 40 cents. If I have Bengal rose, only 500 are with me, but 60 cents each, like that. So how many bouquets in each variety should be produced so as to maximize the selling price? In the problem போடலாம். இது model I have solved this and I am writing a book on this. Okay, அதனால இதெல்லாம் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கேன். இன்னொரு ப்ராப்ளம், மிக்சர் ப்ராப்ளம். You must have seen in mixture stalls. If you go to a sweet stall, what you will ask? Sometimes you may ask, what is that? Combination, assorted sweets. அது மாதிரி கேட்பீங்க இல்லையா? Give assorted sweets. So he will put 1 badam and 2 milk sweets, and what's a cheaper sweet he will put more. Okay. So how to produce that assorted this thing so as to maximize his profit and so as to satisfy customer? This is a mixture problem. There are 4 types of mixtures. இந்த மாதிரி ப்ராப்ளம்லாம் போடலாம். அதுக்கு தான் சொல்றேன். 4 types of mixture. மிக்சர்ல என்னெல்லாம் இருக்கும்? You will have groundnuts, you will have ஓம்பொடி, you will have some flakes, corn flakes, all that will be there in mixture. And various combinations will give various mixture. One will give Madras mixture, other will give Bombay mixture. Okay, other will give some variety of mixture. In first mixture, flake 1, that is flakes are one is groundnut is a flake, ompodi is a flake, some other crunchy, what is this, corn flakes, all that flakes. So first flake not less than 20%. Second flake not less than 50%. Third flake not more than 25%, like that. Okay. If you put more cornflakes, that becomes a corn mixture. If you put more rice flakes, that becomes rice mixture. So various combinations in various mixture, various combination. For each mixture, there is a different rate, and there are availability of flakes, non-availability of flakes. So how to make a mixture which will give you more profit? This problem can be attacked. அதுக்கப்புறம் நான் சொன்னேன் உங்களுக்கு, I told you advertisement problem. How to advertise, where to advertise to maximize exposure. That is a problem. Then I'll tell you one more problem. The hospital scheduling problem, the shifting problem. There will be various shifts, 6 to 10, 10 to 2, 2 to 6, and each shift requirements are there, and there will be overlapping shift. So how to minimize the number of doctors that are employed? That is one problem. Then another problem, I will end with this. There is a quality checking problem. There is a company. I am telling a variety of problems so that you can take up some project in MSc. This kind of problem, like there is a quality checking problem. There are many quality checkers, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. Level 1 quality checker, very good quality checker, he will charge more, but availability is less. He will charge more and check only some pieces. Level 2 will charge less, can check less number of pieces. Okay, accuracy will be less also, like that. So, but you cannot always hire level 1 quality checker because that will be costly. So, what is the combination of quality checkers? You must take L1, L2, L3, L4, L5, so that to minimize cost and to minimize error. Okay, so this kind of problems can be attacked. Then a variety of problems are there. I will send you this. Okay, you can consult shortest path problem also can be computed with this. Okay. Oh, what happens to the problems? Small problems with small variables can be solved using solver. But if your problem has many variables, hundreds of variables, thousands of variables, a open solver is to be downloaded from web. Open solver will ask for .NET. So you have to install .NET and install open solver. With this, you can solve a very big problem with thousands of variables. Very big problem. Okay. For example, you have to make what is that? Table, a big chair. You have to, sofa. You have to make. For each sofa, varieties of woods will be used. Enalla irukkum sofa la many woods, varieties of woods, then varieties of cushion, then varieties of sofa cover, the size, all that varies. So how much varieties of sofa a company should make, you can tell. Okay, many. The big problem, you need open solver. You need open solver. Then why do you do it in Excel? If you do it in Excel, it is simpler. If you write x1, x2, x3, others won't understand. If you put it in x1, x2, this kind of modeling, you cannot, you need not convert that into equations. All you need to use this sum product function. You need not convert them to equations. Straight away from problem, you can put it to the Excel sheet. Okay. Okay. Then tomorrow I will tell you about 2 problems, transportation and assignment. They are very, very simple, can be done in an hour. If you want, I will explain more problems of linear programming today and 1 or 2 problems of transportation and assignment. I am leaving the session for any doubt or feedback. Any doubt or feedback. Accordingly, tomorrow I will design. யாராவது குழந்தைங்க பேசலாம், தமிழ்ல பேசலாம்னு சொன்னேன். யாராவது பேசலாம், புரிஞ்சுதா புரியலையா, எப்படி போட்டீங்க, நீங்க போட்டு பாத்தீங்களா? யூசுவலா யூ வுட் ஹவ் டன் இட் இன் 2 phase மெத்தட், பீக்கன் மெத்தட், நிறைய பேஜா போகும். இதுல டக்குன்னு ஆன்சர் வருது இல்ல, பாத்தீங்களா? You can give feedback or you can ask doubts.
குட் ஈவினிங் சார்.
சொல்லுங்க
சார். இப்ப நம்ம போடுறது வந்து லீனியர் ப்ரோகிராமிங் ப்ராப்ளம் தானே சார்?
ஆமா 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 ஆமா. எஸ்.
இதுலயே சால்வர்லயே ஐபிபி போடலாமா சார்?
எது போடலாமா? இன்டிஜர் ப்ரோகிராமிங் ப்ராப்ளம் போடலாம். போடலாம் சொன்னா அந்த
Yes, sir.
இன்இக்வாலிட்டி சூஸ் பண்ணீங்க இல்லையா, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, அதுல
Yes, sir.
INT அப்படின்னு ஒரு ஆப்ஷன் இருக்கும் அதுல. ஓகே,
Okay, sir.
அந்த INT ஆப்ஷன் செலக்ட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா அது இன்டிஜர் ப்ரோக்ராமிங் ப்ராப்ளமா தானா மாறிடும்.
Okay,
ஆன்சர்
sir.
உங்களுக்கு இன்டிஜர்ல வரும். So if you
Yes, sir.
select the in the less than or equal to, greater than or equal to menu, there will be a point called INT. If you select that INT, that will automatically become an integer programming problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Anybody else? வேற யாருக்கா சந்தேகம் இருக்கா? ஏதா ப்ராப்ளங்கள் எக்ஸசைஸ் அனுப்புனா போட்டு பாக்குறீங்களா? Can I send the problems to you? I will send in the WhatsApp group. You send it to your laptop or something, then do it. Don't do it on the mobile. Okay, I can send the varieties of problems with the solutions. Okay, that I will tell. I will send the summary of these problems, how different varieties of problems can be taken up for MSc project or for ஏதா டவுட் இருக்கா சொல்லுங்க. ஏதா
Thank you very
ஃபீட்பேக்
much,
இருக்கா?
sir.
என்னம்மா சொல்லுங்க.
Thank you very much, sir. Girls, may I ask any doubt or
ஏதா டவுட்
say about the
ஃபீட்பேக் ஏதாவது இருக்கா சொல்லுங்க.
feedback about the session.
ஹலோ சார்.
லாவண்யா சொல்லுங்க.
இண்டீஜர் ப்ராப்ளம்க்கு வந்து இண்டீஜர்னா அந்த லெஸ் தென் ஆர் ஈக்குவல் அங்க சேஞ்ச் பண்ண சொன்னீங்கல்ல சார்.
அவ்வளவுதான்.
டிரான்ஸ்போர்ட்டேஷன் அசைன்மென்ட் ப்ராப்ளம்லாம் இருக்குல்ல சார்.
அது நாளைக்கு
அதுக்கெல்லாம்
tomorrow
Thank you,
I will
sir.
give transportation and assignment problems.
ஓகே சார்.
நாளைக்கு போட்டு காமிக்கிறேன்.
ஓகே சார்.
ம்
Thank you சார்.
ம் anybody else?
Girls, so many of you present here. Please say the feedback about the session. What do you learn from this session? Or any other queries?
போட்டு
you may ask
பாத்தீங்களா?
now.
போட்டு பார்க்கலையா? போட்டு பாத்தீங்களா? எல்லாம் கம்முன்னு இருக்கிறது பார்த்தா சந்தேகமா இருக்குது. ஹரிதா சொல்லுங்க.
குட் ஈவினிங் சார். குட் ஈவினிங் சார்.
சொல்லுங்கம்மா, போட்டு பாத்தீங்களா?
போட்டு பார்த்தேன் சார். ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக இருந்துச்சு சார்.
ஈஸியா இருந்ததா? சின்னதா போட முடியுதா? சரி.
எஸ் சார்.
So you can solve
Thank
the
you, sir.
problems in books or you can design your own problems. That is advantage. Teachers can develop a lot of problems. If 50 students are there in a class, you can give 50 questions because you have answers. Okay? Right. Sharing madam, close பண்ணிக்கலாமா? வேற ஏதாவது I will send some exercises today. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Ask the students to do they have to do any projects in MSc?
Yes, sir. In the last semester, sir.
Last projects வேணும்னா பண்ணலாம் அவங்க. நான் சில மாடல்ஸ் அனுப்புறேன். They can select their own problems. அவங்க சின்ன டிரான்ஸ்போர்ட்டேஷன் ப்ராப்ளம் அவங்க இதுலயே அசைன்மென்ட் ப்ராப்ளம்லாம் பண்ணலாம்.
Okay.
Okay ma. Okay.
Now they are studying in third semester, sir. In the
Okay.
last semester, they will have the
Now let
project.
them have an idea.
Okay.
வேணும்னா அவங்க ப்ராஜெக்ட் பண்ணலாம். Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.